you can see the difference in the color hue when it's sunny versus overcast. Color instead of water is still nice. It's almost like a light aqua, but depending on the sun, it's a deep aqua or emerald color. Sometimes my natural instincts take over and I'm saying, well, I'm close enough, so therefore no need to walk to the water line, but I think I will, just to hear the rustling of the water again. Being that it's not a lot of sun out, I suspect there's not going to be a lot of tanning going on. But for those that's not used to these temperatures, it's still a lot better than where they are. In the United States, northern United States, northeast, some of them are coming off a major winter event. I believe Buffalo, New York had lake effect snow up to, they said, 60 inches. That's 5 feet. 5 feet of snow. So if you're from that area, my friends from Buffalo and Rochester, I remember how warm it was for you when we were at one of the Dolphin games. So you would like this weather a lot. I'm going to take off my shoes and I will keep the video running. Okay, I'm gonna be quiet and we'll just listen for the sound of the beach. Maybe I will collect sounds for another one of my white noise videos. Earlier, I had mentioned the Tide. They call it a hotel. Later on, they developed condos there because I went to an open house for them selling condos. And I believe they wanted to make it a, quote, condo-tel. Nevertheless, that's where some of the Bad Boys movies was filmed. Keep in mind, the Bad Boys has 3 movies. Well, we don't call it Bad Boys 1, but original Bad Boys, Bad Boys 2, and I think the last one is Bad Boys for Life. So, that's another little bit of movie knowledge, movie trivia. As we see Versace's home, and we can hear the music in the background from the palace. We realize Versace's home is at 11th and Ocean. Therefore, the palace is between 10th and Ocean. So, we know where the locations are, and we realize that the Miami Beach lifeguard headquarters is at 10th and Ocean also. So, I'm gonna wrap this up here. Take a gander down to the Biltmore in Coral Gables, and then we'll call it a wrap.
This is not the beach that I always go to. Show you one right now.
This is the location for the original palace, and was at 12th and Ocean. So we can see what its name is now, but it moved from this location down the street to between 10th and 11th, and that's why you see the streets decals there. You see the sidewalk decals here, and as we were taking a picture of the lifeguard station, I have to be careful how I say that, we can see the combination going from the palace to the street to the beach. And right beside the palace, or the original palace, is the condo-tel that I was talking about earlier.